as you can see, we have the taillights installed, and because these were plug and play, it was a really easy installation. The features for these taillights are, this is the turn signal as well as the brake light. The running light would be the outside band, would just be lit with the side marker up here lit. And then the reverse signals is these two white strips, which both illuminate very bright white light, giving you probably a little bit more lighting behind the vehicle in reverse than your standard halogen reverse light.